How to complete photo ID verification on your PayPal account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how you can complete photo ID verification. So completing a photo ID verification to restore your limited PayPal account is a process that involves submitting the required identification document to PayPal for review. Here is how you can do it. Ensure you have access to a good quality camera or smartphone with a camera to take a clear picture of your document. Now you'll need to first of all log in. So for that, open up your PayPal application, enter in your credential and log in into your account. After you're logged into your account, you should see a notification or a message indicating that your account is limited. Click on it in order to view it in detail. So you need to go to the notification page. In my case, I have not received any notifications, so the interface might not be similar. After you click on a notification, next page, PayPal may provide you with specific instructions on what documents are required. Typically, they will request a photo ID such as driver's license or passport, and sometimes proof of address such as utility bill and all that. If you can't find a specific instruction, you can go to the resolution center or message center if in your PayPal account for guidance. Now take a clear picture with lit photo or scan of the required document. Ensure that all the information is visible. You might be asked to take a selfie holding a photo ID to verify that the picture matches your appearance. Save this photo on your computer or smartphone. In your PayPal account, navigate to the resolution center or location where you were instructed to submit your document. Look for the option to upload or submit documents. Upload a photo of your ID and any other required documents. After submitting the document, PayPal will review them. This process may take some time and may receive an email confirmation of your submission. So PayPal may contact you additional information or clarification during the review process. Now periodically check your PayPal account or email for update on the status of your verification. Once the PayPal has verified your document, they will lift the limitations on your account and you should regain full access. So this is basically how you can verify your PayPal account and restore your limited PayPal account. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.